argumentative discourse. The essence of argumentation. So, you mean by essence is the importance. So, argumentative discourse is a form of communications, whether spoken or written, that aims to persuade an audience by presenting logical reasons and evidence to support a specific claim or viewpoint. Beyond simple statements. So it goes beyond simple statements of opinion, demanding the constructions of coherence, argument with supporting data, reasoning, and counter-argument.
Elements of argumentative discourse. When it comes to the elements of argumentative discourse, I have 4 examples. And the first is the claim. The claim is the main point or assertion that the speaker or writer aims to prove.
The example of claim that you probably heard in TV and see in an article or newspaper is climate change is the most significant challenge facing humanity today.
The second is evidence. The evidence has facts, statistic, example, or expert opinion used to support the claim.
Example of evidence to my claim about the climate change is, according to NASA, global temperature have risen by 1.2 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial level due to human activity.
Third is reasoning. Logical connection that explains how the evidence supports the claim. And the fourth is counter-argument, addressing opposing viewpoints and providing reason why they are not as valid.
Characteristics of argumentative discourse. Purposeful, aimed at persuading an audience to accept a particular viewpoint. Critical, engages with opposing viewpoints and challenges assumptions. Logical, uses reasoning and evidence to support its claims. Structured, organized with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Okay.
Spoken argumentative discourse. So the best example for spoken is a live debate. So when it comes to live debate, it includes the setting the stage. So a formal debate on a controversial topic such as climate change, featuring 2 experts with opposing view. And secondly is engaging the audience. So each experts present their argument using a vivid language, personal anecdotes, and compiling statistics to sway the audience. And third is refuting opposing views. So when it comes to debate, the debaters challenge each other's argument, highlighting flaws in their reasoning and presenting counter evidence. So lastly is convincing the audience. So ultimately, the goal is to persuade the audience to adopt their perspective on the issue at hand.
Written argumentative discourse. The topic, an op-ed, articles published in a major newspaper arguing for the importance of public funding for arts programs in school. Structure and argument. The author presents their arguments with strong thesis statements supporting evidence for research and counter-arguments to opposing viewpoints. Vision and impact. The goal is to persuade readers, including policymakers and educators, to support the author's position on the issue.